Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Yes, it's the 23rd of December and it's almost Christmas, which is why I've got one of my festive jumpers on, one of many that I have. Anyway, I've ordered something from Build-A-Bear and I don't normally do Build-A-Bear unboxings. I did one before when I had the Harry Potter bear. But this one I saw and I thought, oh, I'm going to get this because I've been a Build-A-Bear fan for a very, very long time. And there was a period of time where my card wasn't registering my purchases or something like that. Anyway, I got in contact with Build-A-Bear and now they just keep sending me money off vouchers. And I think last month I had £40 and then this month £50 worth of vouchers, just like my inbox is inundated with loads of £5 off vouchers. And so I had a look and thought, what do I really want? Nothing. What do I really need? Nothing. So I'll get something anyway because that's what I'm like. And they had these special bears that were designer, well, kind of not designer, kind of designer collector, this one with all these crystals on it. So I thought, you know what, with all this money they're giving me off, I'll only have to pay about 20 or 30 pounds to get one of these exclusive bears. So I have one right here and I'm going to open the box. I've not seen it yet. Safari, my personal DPD delivery driver, he's not really my personal driver, but he comes here so often because of all the things I'm always ordering, that he actually said today, oh, I'm glad you opened the door because I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. So hi, Tafari. Thank you for delivering all the things that you deliver for me and especially what I've got today. So the first thing, it's all wrapped in tissue paper. It came with a Christmas tree charm. So let's have a look and see what this is. So as you can see here, in the box, Build-A-Bear, established 1997. Let's open and see what's in here. So this is a Christmas tree charm in a Build-A-Bear shape. That's quite pretty. So I'll be hanging that on the tree. And this was apparently £30, but I didn't pay for it. Well, I did, but with all the discounts, that was basically free. And then the bear, now normally, I don't have one around, so I do actually, let me stretch. Build-A-Bears come in boxes like this. I mean, this one is the child from Star Wars. So they normally come in a box like this, but this online exclusive adult collectors, not for under 15 years old, comes in its very own bag because it's very special. And I've never seen Build-A-Bears coming in a drawstring bag. So it's an emerald colour. It's smaller than normal actually, as I'm feeling it now. Comes with Swarovski, is that how you say it? Swarovski crystals. And yeah, so it's exclusive. So it is small and it's suede and like a PVC type of material. Verify code shown, so the crystals are real, as you can see there. It doesn't have like a number because normally if it's exclusive or limited, they give you a number like one of 2,000 made, but maybe this is in an abundance. But you cannot buy this in the store. So caution, this product is not a toy and is intended for adult collectors' use only. I'm an adult collector. So there we are. So it's quite small, but it's quite cute. So it's got a heart crystal on the chest, crystals in the eyes and on the nose, and then on the feet. You can see it sparkling away, and on the paws. So that's it. It's quite diddy and I quite like that. And they have given a birth certificate so I can fill it out. It hasn't got the birthday on it. I think I just might make its birthday Christmas Day, so 2 days time. It's 25 centimeters in height and its colors are teal and silver, and it belongs to me. Anything else in the box? No, nothing apart from my invoice. which will show. Does it show the lack of money I paid for this? No, it doesn't actually have the price, but I literally had so many £5 vouchers off, it's ridiculous. So there you go.